fun horns and hurdy-gurdies. And for the sake of our performers, please refrain from the use of sculpting mallets and chisels to create lifelike marble images of the player. Thank you.
Oh, you're not gonna get in the way. Thank you, though. I was waiting for it to loop the animation.
Aubrey.
That's what I was waiting for.
His eyeballs don't blink at the same time.
Look at Figaro.
His eyeballs actually do something weird that I never noticed before until I was recording.